Good afternoon, my name is Priscilla and I'm going to present the moment 1 of the self-reflection activity, Unity 2, their star. According to the article mentioned the 10 advantages of the e-learning. Time to digest the information and respond. Improved communication between students both in terms of equality and urgency. Knowledge acquired and transferred among the students themselves. The ability to carry out an open discussion where each the students had a more equality position and that in a face-to-face discussions. Access to information and ability to discussions. Information and capacity for discussions. The answers can be made any time without restrictions. Greater motivation and involvement in the process with the students. Regarding the following issues mentions the difference between traditional learning and e-learning. Classroom discussions. Traditional learning. The teacher usually talks more than the students. E-learning. The student talks at last as much or more than teacher. Learning process. Traditional learning. The learning is conducted with the whole class participating. There is most no group individual student. E-learning. Most of learning process takes place in groups or being individual student. Subject matter. Traditional learning. The teacher conducts the lesson according to the student program and the existing curriculum. E-learning. The student participates in the determined subject based of student of several sources in information, including web data banks and networks. In places in the learning process. Traditional learning. The students learn what and not who. The students and the teachers are both completing the required subject matter quota. The students are not involved in equality-based education and solving problems, but rather in tasks set by teacher. In learning, the students learn who and less what. The learning includes research student which combines searching for the collection information from web data banks and authorities of the communication network. The learning is better connected to the real world. The subject matter is rich and includes material in different forms. Motivation. Traditional learning. The student's motivation is low and subject matter is distant from that. The learning. The student's motivation is high due to the involvement in matters that are close to them and the use of technology. Traditional learning. The teacher is authority. E-learning. The teacher directs the student to the information. Location of learning. Traditional learning. The learning takes place with the classroom and the school. E-learning. The learning takes place with no fixed location. Lesson structure. Traditional learning. The teacher dictates the structure of lesson and the division of time. E-learning. The structure of the lesson is affected by the group dynamics. That will be it. Thank you very much.